Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Aaliyah MAC lip gloss it says Brooklyn Born. The name is Brooklyn Born, and it's a gold pearly lip gloss that's really pretty that you can layer. You can wear it just itself, layer it on a red lipstick, layer it on a darker red lipstick. You can put it on pink. Basically, MAC developed a line of 9 products for Aaliyah, the late great R&B music and film star who still continues to inspire us to this day. MAC has countless fans that celebrate their devotion to the music and style trailblazer of the generation. So there was a whole series that they did of lipsticks and mascaras, and I fell in love with Brooklyn Born and had to get it. It's a really nice, shiny, pretty, like goldish, but there's a little bit of pink in it too, color. And I love my lipsticks. I love lip glosses especially. I love MAC. Everything from MAC usually is great. So I decided I needed this for my beauty arsenal, and I picked it up, and my husband was like, "Oh, you have a package. What is it?" And I was like, "Oh, nothing," and just pretended like I didn't get anything, and then had to tell him that it was another lip gloss. So I kind of snuck that in there. But this is a great color. Works on all skin types. Looks good on pretty much everybody. Especially if you like a nice gold shimmer on your lips. Like I said, you can layer it with any lipstick that you have. I think a red might be fun, or a deep red, reddish purple. So anything like that, I would definitely try. Aaliyah was a fantastic R&B singer, someone that I really idolized when I was in high school, and now giving away my age. But yeah, the Aaliyah collection from MAC, it's like her, she's 1 in a million. Tried to come up with something that was 1 in a million, which is really cool. And I believe that this lip gloss is pretty unique, and I've never seen anything like it before. MAC makes really great lip glosses. So I'm not surprised. But this one is so super fun with the gold in it. And yeah, I would definitely add this to your beauty arsenal. Try it out. It smells really good. It's kind of like a candy scent, I think. You can travel with it. You can easily take it on a plane. It's not very big. And so they did originally have 9 products. I was a little late to the game, so I got this lip gloss as they were kind of phasing out the line, but they still have it for sale. So I would definitely check it out. It's 3 by 2 by 3 inches. That's the box. And the shipping weight is 4 ounces. So this will last you for a good amount of time if you don't go through lip gloss super quick. I'm someone who has a lot of lip glosses, so I don't go through them super fast. But this one is a good one to add and definitely try out. So it's called Brooklyn Born by MAC, the Aaliyah collection. And yeah, I remember her songs fondly. She was such a beautiful girl, such a beauty icon, and this is something that honors her legendary status and is something fun to celebrate through makeup, her memory. So check it out, the Brooklyn Born Lip Gloss by MAC, the Aaliyah collection, and I don't think you'll be sorry. I think you'll really enjoy having this in your beauty arsenal to pump up your lipsticks or just wear on its own. So don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and I really hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.